Hey, welcome back. Today we got a 2015 Ford Focus here. The customer complaint was the windshield washer doesn't spray into the windshield. So we got the washer tank all empty out there with the evaporator right there. So now I'm lifting the car up to gain access to the washer tank because I'm pretty sure the screen down there is clogged. That is the number one reason why any car is not spraying into the windshield. And I've seen this just about every car that I run into, the washer fluid doesn't spray. So right now I'm removing the T30s for the lower cover. So there's a pretty good amount of them on this car. Actually, there's I think at least like 10 to 15 of them. So go all the way around, remove the lower cover, and then that piece I just let it fold back, and then take off the trim that goes around underneath the front bumper, and you should be able to see the washer tank directly above. There's a couple of clips there, and here's the very last one on the driver's side. Now that cover comes off. Now you can see that white part right there, that's the tank. Now I'm trying to wiggle the washer pump out. So I disconnected a line that goes up to the windshield, or actually underneath the hood. The sprayer is underneath the hood. So got that out of there, disconnect the connector. Now I got a little trim tool to go around the grommet. So I think once I get the pump out, really nothing came out of the pump, because inside that grommet there's a screen. You will see it in just a few seconds here after we get everything off. So we got the pump off there. So the pump itself does not seem to be clogged. And I tested the pump off screen, so the pump is running just fine. So here's a shot of the screen right there. See all that slimy stuff in there? Yeah, so to fix this issue, I went ahead and cut out that screen so this problem won't ever occur again. So the pump could actually just suck up whatever is inside the tank. So I think what happened to this one is, I think the customer didn't add it washer fluid. They added just water to it, so the water would tend to promote algae and stuff to grow inside that tank. That's where that slime came from. So that will block off your lines going up. That's why nothing comes out of the nozzle. So got that all cleared up, and I flushed the tank a couple of times before I put everything back together off screen here. So the car coming back down, I think I got everything back in, washer fluid going back in. So now I'm spraying the washer fluid for a few minutes here, make sure all the lines are clear, nothing is stuck in the lines. Cover back on. We're about to go back up with the car, look at the pump, make sure nothing is leaking, make sure we got the pump in there right. So everything looks like where it's supposed to be, and there's no more algae inside the tank. So that would be a fix. So getting the lower cover back on, and the clips on the side. Yeah, you have to, these you just have to play with them, get them in the right spot, and eventually they'll line up with the holes they're supposed to go. Like I said, this is a very common issue that I see on all cars, not just this Ford. Especially on BMWs, they got those really small pickup ports. So the screen on those are extra small. So usually I just cut those out so they have an unrestricted flow. You'll never have this issue again. This shot of me putting all the T30 bolts back in. You don't have to kill these, just get them snug. It only holds the cover on. Alright, here's the last bolts going in. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or give us a call at my shop. Thank you again.